Hi! So today you're going to learn how to create your own bridal bouquet. So let's see how it goes. Today, for this one, I added some fresh flowers as well, so you can get the idea that you can always mix with dry flowers and also natural flowers. And let's see how you create your own bridal bouquet. Hi, thank you for joining us. I am Mariana Boccia, a floral designer, and today I'm going to be filming for DB Flowers. These are some of the colors they offer as do-it-yourself bouquets, okay? So we have big colors, more pink, soft pink, whites, and they have greens and pink and burgundy as well. So let's choose one. This is how your product will arrive to your home. You can find them in their website. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, for this one, these white dry flowers, I'm going to try something different. And I encourage you to do so. Stretch yourself a little bit and try something that maybe you haven't worked on before. So for this one, I'm just going to do a bouquet. So meaning that it's not in a vase as the other ones that we have worked on. This one will be as a bouquet, a hand-tie bouquet. So when you receive your flowers, you start opening them and to see what you have. So you have the burn, we have the filaris. This one looks like a lunaris, and the ponytail. So I really like this combination they create for us. So they make it very simple. We don't even have to, choose what goes with what. It's just a very convenient way to discover yourself as an artist, as a florist, and try to do an arrangement that you have never tried. You have 6 different type of flowers, but you have many of them included in one bunch. So at the beginning it looks like it's not much, but you really get to receive a good quantity. So you can work whatever. Maybe you decide to work in different bases, or just one bouquet. And you can even add fresh flowers, artificial flowers, or maybe you change your bouquet significantly, just adding ribbons, different types of ribbons, or something like this that we have here. So it will depend. There's many ways to change or level up or do something different. And the good thing is it lasts so much. It lasts at least for 3 years. So let's get started. This time as a bouquet, I like to separate them so it's easier to grab them. And it's very simple. You don't really need anything else. Yeah, it's just maybe a scissor, and that's it. It's very, very simple. It's easy to follow, and the idea here is to give you an idea, like an style, but you can of course try your very own one. So it's a bouquet. You with your hand, your dominant hand, mine is the right one. So I place the stem that I decided to start with, and you start like adding, maybe moving around your arrangement and start adding. I like to follow some like pattern. So let's say I add 2 of filaris here, and this. Maybe you are a bride to be and you want to see if you do your own bridal bouquet. This is a very elegant one. This is how it goes. I would say even this amount, it's so nice to give it to someone, like a detail, or to place it in a small vase, or you can keep going and do a bigger bouquet. But I love it, I love it. This is just a very neutral design, but it's very easy to follow. You at play around. Remember, there is not any perfect way to do it. I really recommend like you choose a height and then you go so on. This is just with one of our bunches, and you get to do so much. So you play around, keep adding, but I wanted to show you how we go, because even like this quantity looks very, very, very nice. These dry flowers, this style of flowers, we're going to leave you the names of each one, so you know what would you receive for the whites one, for neutrals, and definitely for a bride, this is the best option. I like it so much. You will get to see how it looks with natural flowers, because we have it. So we wanted to show you, to take the opportunity to show you that option as well. When working with especially with a bouquet, if you have a mirror, it's great because you get to see it from all the parts. So I think at this point, we would like to add something, and it's the natural flowers. So oh my God, I like it. Yeah, you just add some natural flowers. We already work with them. We prepared them. We took out the leaves, and you get to let's see where I like it, because I was working on maybe here. There is a hole. It's going to be very, very nice. What's more of this? Definitely a bride will love to have her bouquet. At one point, you just have to decide, like, okay, I want it until here. This is a medium size one. You can add here in the front more of your dries, so it's definitely you want to mix them, and I'm sure you will do great. It happens. Oh, okay, there we go. Now I like it even more. We still have product, but we decided to leave it like this because it's a very nice size. See that we mix with the naturals, and it looks so pretty. So now is the time to tie it up, to tie our bouquet, our hand tie bouquet. Even it's a good time to cut the stems. So let's do that. It's normal, it will be a little mess. I like my it's a little mess that flowers create. Yeah, this is a nice one. I like it, I like it, I like it. Start adding. You can use this. This is wire, just wire that it comes in different colors. This is brown, but you can also use your floral tape. And this is a way to do it, just knock. And for this one, I'm going to add some ribbon so it looks nicer. And maybe for this bride, make her happier, we can add some ribbon. I find it very nice. Look at this. Some brides or some people likes the ribbon to fall like very long, and it's very on trend, and it doesn't bothers me, but I mean, not that long. So for me this is too long. I will cut a little bit. So this is a super pretty floral arrangement with monochromatic, and you see we still have products. So if you want to do another one, you totally can do that. So hope you like it, and see many of our other videos for other colors.